Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem which says your computer appears to be correctly configured but the DNS server is not responding. So I've got the fix for this. So how to do this? Let's get started. First close everything and then press Windows plus R button, so it will open this run dialog box. Just type ncpa.cpl in this and click OK. It will open this folder. Find your Ethernet connection, right click it and click on disable. After that, wait for 10 or 15 seconds, then click on enable again. Once you enable this, hopefully your problem is solved. If not, then close this and open start menu and search for CMD. Click on yes, and then once you're in CMD, just open a text file beside it and then write these commands: ipconfig space slash flush DNS space end, and then write this one below it, and then with this one and this one and then this one. Once you do this, just copy all of them all together and come over to CMD and then paste them all together. After that, just hit enter, and once you do this, it will flush the DNS resolver and hopefully it will solve your problem. You just have to restart your PC and your problem is solved. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.